Hi guys, welcome back to Wholesome and Natural Living. I'm Maudlin. Good to have you here. Today I'm sharing my minted sunshine juice. I've been consuming this juice for about a year now and I accidentally made it. So, but it's an inspired recipe from just various Caribbean inspired juices. So, I call it my minted sunshine because it's infused with mint, which I don't have in my garden right now, but I just planted a bunch of mint seeds. So, hopefully, I'll get to make this throughout the summertime. So, get ready to see my minted sunshine juice. All right, let's get right to it. Here are the ingredients. So I have some dates here. Um, I don't know. This is about half a cup, but I just put what I feel like. This is some a medium-sized pineapple. I just chopped it. This is a handful of mint. I would say use about like half or a quarter, depending on how much you like or don't like mint. Or you can just swap it out for another herb. I have about 4 oranges that are peeled and about 6 lemons. So the minted sunshine. And then about 32 or more ounces of water. The juices are going to go in here in these two containers, and I'm going to use my Nama J2. All right, let's go. I'm going to fill up the hopper, and then I'll hit uh, the power button. I have the larger version of this, and so I'm able to add more to this. So I'm adding all of my ingredients. Maybe I'll keep a few pineapples back, but it should all just be all right in there. Okay, so all right, I think that's about enough. Um, I just have some water on the side, but you really don't need it. So, all right, let's do it. How about the other end? Just of being made. Right, I am adding the remainder pineapples. Right, closing the hopper. And oh, golden goodness, sunshine. And the pulp comes out the other end. Right, so I'm pouring the one for the family here. See, and I think this is the date part. But that's okay. I'll pour that in mine. All right. So normally I'll have this with some ice, but I think this is good. Isn't she pretty? So I'll find myself a fancy glass and just stand on my deck or sit and pretend I'm somewhere tropical while sipping this. It's refreshing, it's minty, it's glowy, it's good for your skin, good for your overall health, and just really, really sweet. I put a lot of dates, so it is really sweet. No need to add any more sugars, or you don't need to add sugar. But if you're going to add something, maybe a bit more agave. If it's too sweet, maybe dilute it a bit. but this is just mine. And it will not last more than a day in the refrigerator. So I hope you try this. My minted, oh my God. So the lime, I'm just now getting the lime. It's so good. My minted sunshine. I hope you give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Bye now.